Thutha wa kiama kia Atungati arwaru KNUN kwiyumiria na kuhinyiriria no meguthie na mbere na mugomo, thirikari cia kaunti inyitanire na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri nimerumite kinina kuga nimekurithia watho wa president wira.
All nurses should resume duty with effect and in any case not later than Friday the 15th of February 2019 at 8 a.m.
The national and county governments stand with the President's pronouncement. A roll call will be undertaken by both levels of government tomorrow, Friday, February 2019 at 8 a.m. and nurses who fail to return to work will be dismissed and further necessary disciplinary action will be taken in accordance with the law.
Kiama giki gia KNUN gigikararia watho wa president kiugite mugomo uyu kinyanirio thiini wa watho no magavana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri marauga kuri na watho wa igoti wa urugamitie.
We want to urge our members to remain firm, fight for their rights, because the constitution of the people of Kenya under Article 41 provides that every worker has the right to go on strike.
The Honorable Court issued a court order suspending the nurses' strike for 60 days.
Niguo gukurana kuria ndugamano ino ikwerekera ni undu wa mathaa manini tu magweterera kuona kana atungati aya arwaru nimekuroka mawira-ini na kana thirikari ni igakinyaniria mukana wa kumafuta wira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwa rekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.